quite regularly. I get asked, Elge, how do you accomplish so much? And they say it exactly like that. The secret is coffee. My coffee. A well prepared cup of coffee is the most important thing. And I've got 2 easy steps you can follow to be successful just like me. Firstly, I'll say the brand of coffee isn't all that important. Just buy whatever is expensive enough to make you feel superior to your friends. Okay, step 1, hand grind your coffee beans to avoid burning. Electric grinding of coffee beans adds heat, and this might destroy what I believe are called tannins in the coffee. Obviously, this ruins the flavor and makes it entirely undrinkable. Step 2, double boil your water. This is probably a new concept to some. Boiling your water once is not enough. Boil your water completely, then let it cool to about 50 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Fahrenheit for the Americans in the crowd. Then boil again. Sometimes, if I have time, I'll triple boil, even better. Extra boils burns away the impurities of the water. Some people will say that this actually concentrates the impurities, but that's only if you're using tap water. Obviously, I import all my waters. It's called Alaskan Glacier Tears, made from new formed glacier ice chunks only. It's incredibly detrimental to the environment.